Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. Maybe not edit, but block. Then let's scroll here in this right section and tap on block numbers. If you cannot find this option here, no worries. It simply means that you've got the older version of the contacts and you have to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner or the gear icon, I'm not really sure. And then you will find the option block numbers. So just tap on block numbers, your device will actually inform you that it will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick it. Oh my god, what happened? All right, and tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this option, unblock numbers, and we've got those characteristic icons here, and it basically means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, we can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. And to enter the blacklist, we have to enter the settings. And to do that, I mean, not the regular settings, but the settings which are associated with contacts. So you can do it here in the contacts. Just tap on this three dots icon here and go to the settings. Here in this general section, we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap on it. And this is our blacklist. Those are the numbers we blocked from our contacts because they were assigned to this one contact. And all we can do here, I mean, one of the things we can do here is to tap on add a number, and here we can add it manually. So you do not have to have it saved. You can just enter it and tap on block and it will be immediately blocked. At the top we've got also the option unknown, so we can block the calls from all unidentified callers. Just tap on the switcher next to it to activate this option and you can turn it off the same way. And if you wish to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.